All right, welcome to Drip King Engineering's G-code in 1 minute. All four of these codes are going to be an absolute. So G00 is your rapid move. This is how you get your tool head from point A to point B the fastest way. So it is a non-cutting movement. So once you put your code in, you're putting your XYZ coordinate of where you want the tool head to end. G01, simple straight line cuts, traces, finishes. Works the exact same way as G00, where you put in your XYZ coordinate of where you want the tool head to end, but you add in the feed rate because now you're doing cutting. G02 works almost the same way, except for now we're talking about clockwise arcs. So we have our G02 code, our XYZ ending code. Since we're doing arcs, we have a radius, so we have an R code. And then last but not least, because we're feeding, either cutting or adding, you have a feed rate. And last but not least, G03. So counterclockwise works the same way as G02, just the tool head moves in the opposite direction. So you have your G code, your XYZ ending coordinates, how big that radius is, and the feed rate of your tool. Hopefully this crash course helped and you were able to learn G-code in just about a minute. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. I'm constantly updating with more 1 minute tool tips.